What's up, average dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and it's a full unboxing of what I hope is the Huawei Pura X Max, because I get a lot of phones delivered and yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what we've got. I wanted to share the full unboxing experience from start to finish when you order from the Average Dad Tech Store. Let's go! So, first thing we should cover, as you can see, FedEx International Priority Shipping on all orders unless you're in certain other regions where we'll use DHL, or for EU customers, UPS, because we have a warehouse in France and UPS ship to there first, then on to you, meaning all EU orders have no customs fees whatsoever. I've covered that in a video here, or if I remember, I'll link the card here. But yes, another thing to note, our shipping timescales are 5 to 8 business days. Now the reason we say that is because, well, we like to over deliver and under promise. It is extremely rare that we will take 8 business days to deliver anything. For example, the Pura X Max was only released for shipping on Monday. Today is Wednesday. 2 working days from Hong Kong to my desk. Now, let's get this bad boy opened, and you will see I have absolute faith that the packaging is pristine, the box is pristine, no marks, no damage whatsoever. But let's crack this boy open. And I'm not going to edit any of this out because I really do want you to see the full experience when ordering from me. We've shipped over 7,000 orders now, and every single one comes in pristine condition. There we go. As you can see, well packaged, well bubble wrapped, and yes, it is the Pura X Max. I can see that distinctive gold all around, which is super exciting. So again, well bubble wrapped. Let me see if I can find the end here. There we go. And fully factory sealed. We do not open the boxes on any devices because we don't need to. I do tutorials on how to install Google Play services on any Chinese ROM, including Huawei's, whether it be EMUI or Harmony OS. Again, check out the channel for all those tutorials. I also have the Huawei subgroup through WhatsApp, which you can sign up through Buy Me a Coffee here. We are actually started, or one of the very valued members, Tom, has a great idea of having a weekly support call. So yeah, if you sign up through Buy Me a Coffee, you will have access to that straight away. It comes with a quick, easy peel open, so I don't think I need my knife. No, I do not. I have not been this excited about a foldable phone for a long time. For context, this form factor might be my favourite form factor. I've talked about owning the Google Pixel Fold, original one, the number 1, about 8 times. And every time I use it, that passport style is just chef's kiss. I absolutely love it. I have gone for, I actually can't remember what colour. I'm going to put it to the side and we'll see what colour it is. I promise you I can't remember which colour. I think I said blue. Now inside the box you have all the items you're going to need. I assume there's a case in here that I will never use. Is it a random rubbish plasticky one? Feels like it. Again, no edits. Yeah, it's a really rubbish plastic case I will never use. There you go. Doesn't get more honest than that. That's what you get. It seems like there's only, yeah, so it's just the rear protection. There's none of that kind of front really thin plasticky crap that always breaks when you try and put on a foldable phone. You've got the SIM ejection tool, and you have, for your delectation, a USB-C charging cable, which is USB, I'm going to say C, yes, USB-C to C, And look at that little 66 watt charger. So cool. Now it is the international charger because this is the Harmony OS version. There is no global version of the Huawei Pura X Max yet. However, there will be one, I am told. Another thing to consider, when I say global, that doesn't mean it's Android with all Google Play services. We're still talking about a Huawei device here, folks, so you have to do the micro-G workaround, use Easy Abroad, use Aurora Store. Again, those workarounds will be on my channel somewhere if you search. Now, let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's the blue one. Let's have a look at the device. Again, pay particular attention, factory sealed, mint condition, on all devices bought through me. Come on, open up. Let me see this baby. Oh man, that's... Oh, sorry, I'll try and contain myself. That colour is absolutely stunning. Now, shiny, yes. Would I have preferred it a little more, maybe muted, even vegan leather? Probably. But here it is. The dark blue variant, absolutely stunning. And what you all want to see is the crease, or should I say lack of crease. Let's give it a few folds here, just because every foldable phone looks great when it's straight out of the box. Yeah, folks, that is stunning. Huawei, as always, with the hardware technology. Look at that. No crease whatsoever. And in terms of form factor, this is the bad boy. For consuming content, there is no better form factor than this. No big bars at the top and bottom. Wow. Now, I don't actually remember the specifications. I believe it's 5.5 millimeters unfolded and around 11.2 millimeters when folded. I may be wrong, I'll put an asterisk here. I do know that it's a triple camera setup. What I also know is what you're looking at here is the iPhone Fold or the iPhone Ultra, whatever they decide to call it. This is a form factor they're going with one less camera obviously, and definitely not as cool a colour as this. But yeah, this is your iPhone Fold, folks. And I have to say, there is a small part of me that is excited to use iOS on a foldable device for the first time in history. But yeah, that's the Huawei Pura X Max. I will obviously be back soon with how I set up the device, the full specifications and first impression using this passport style foldable phone. Chef's kiss. If you have any questions before that video, please leave them in the comments below. And again, if you're looking to import a Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, Vivo device, the Average Dad Tech Store has you covered. We have a 1-year warranty on all devices, and we will provide a shipping label for that return if you have any issues. If you've enjoyed this short but sweet, informative unboxing, please smash like. And until next time,